JCID optical microscope installation instructions. Unbox and remove the accessories and screws. These are the items in the box, and the extra items can be used as a backup. Take out a bag of screws and a wrench. Take out the short and long screws are the same as shown in the video and the black gaskets. Put the gasket on the screw. Same for the other two screws. Then insert the screw from the back of the base. Align the screw with the hole and twist it in. Twist in the 3 screws in sequence. Then tighten them with a wrench. This is what it looks like after tightening. Then take out the microscope fixing knob and the screw same as the one shown in the video. Align the screw with the fixed knob screw hole and twist it in. Put the fixed knob on the base. Then the height of the fixed knob can be adjusted. Adjust to the appropriate height and tighten the fixed knob. Then take out the focusing adjustment knob. Put it on the base. Adjust to the appropriate location and tighten the screw. Take out the microscope body and put it below the focusing adjustment knob. Then take out the extension tool. Twist it on the top of the microscope. Then take out the adjustable eyepieces. Uncover the lids of the adjustable eyepieces. Place the adjustable eyepieces in them. Take out the eye masks of the adjustable eyepieces. Put it on the adjustable eyepieces. Take out the lamp. 3 long screws and 1 short screw. Put the short one aside. Twist 3 long screws into the screw holes of the lighting lamp in sequence. Then align the lamp at the bottom of the microscope. Tighten the 3 screws one by one. Then take out the short screw that was just put aside. Align the screw hole of the focusing adjustment knob and tighten it. Then take out the heat-resistant silicone pad and place it on the base. Power on the lamp before use. Then we can adjust the brightness through the switch at the back of the lamp. Aim your eyes at the eyepieces and start using it. In case of blurring, adjust the focusing knob. We can also change the focal length through the zoom adjustment knob.